Hello everyone, this is Elma from ZHONGHUAN Intelligent Machinery Company. Today I will take everybody together to visit our workshop and our sample room. First, I will take everybody together to visit our sample room. In here is our sample room. As we see, have water sample. In here have many different bottles. Like this is a camera bottle. We can do filling and selling and labeling. In here have many different small bottle and big bottle. Like this is a big bottle. Our machine can do 5,000 milliliter and also can do labeling. In here have many different tubes. Our machine can do plastic tube and aluminum tube. We all can do filling and selling. Okay, here is our sample room. Next, let's together to visit our workshop. Okay, let's go. Here is the first workshop. Let's together see how what machine. As we see, this is our ZHS survey piston filling and filling machine. Okay, now let's together see another machine. In here have many different perform filling and capping machine. We can see now our work people now are in test our machine. Okay, let's together see. And this machine can fill in small bottle liquid filling and capping. We all can do automatic. In here, we can see our work people now are working. Okay, this is the first work. Next, I will take everybody together to the second work. Now I'm in our second workshop. As we see, there have many different automatic tube filling and selling machine. Our machine can do plastic tube and aluminum tube. And also you can choose different speed. We have 30 to 40 pieces and 60 to 70 pieces. And also have 100 to 120 pieces. This is 3 filling range you can choose. Okay, now let's see next workshop. In here, we can see how many workshops now are in working. And here is our tube labeling machine. You can see. And here have our round bottle labeling machine. We can do different bottle or can labeling. And this is our ZHB50 automatic filling and capping machine. Let's together see here is how to work. And here is the filling. And the bottle in here is the capping. Then the bottle finish will in here. Okay. Okay, today the introduce is finished. If you are interested in our any machine, please feel free to contact us. We will give you the best price. Thank you for watching. See you next time.